are gonna hold this as a low. That will be it.
Right.
So far,
looks scarily like it looks like continuation.
Yeah. I think I might be agreeing with you pretty soon.
Buyers. Yeah.
It's too good, man.
It needs to get above 56 for our bounce play to 58.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly, man. I do not like the intensity of that drop down right there. I mean, if we even get back down to 55, 50, I mean, yeah, it just doesn't look good to me, man.
54.50, 53.50 seems to be next targets for sure.
These guys are having plenty of fun right now, these shorts I just added. All right, fair enough, man. Fair enough.
How much did that market cap die since we started?
Oh, that's a good question, man. All right, so we are at below 190,000, or sorry, 190,000, huh? 190 billion fucking market cap right now. We are at 188 billion market cap at the current moment in time. We are breaking the former lows. We are at new all-time lows for this past year. New yearly lows, is what I should say. For the market cap, guys. Not fucking good. Not fucking good.
Yeah, that's brutal.
Yeah.
That's 10 bill we lost in that hour.
Yeah, 10 billion just evaporated
More,
like
actually.
that, man. And back 55, 75 and a half. Jesus, man. Just fucking let it roll, baby. Just fucking keep on going.
Rumble.
Yeah, man. All right, so we just closed the other hourly, or we just closed our first hourly. Doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon to me, to be honest with you, man.
No.
That's what that hourly looks like to me. You got to be praying for some fuckery during SIBO closing. That's what you got to be praying for right now. If you're a bull, that's what you're thinking right here, man. Hey, it's been pretty damn good the last 11 months, man. So fair enough.
Yep.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, for the people who are wondering if this is capitulation or not, this is not what capitulation looks like.
No, it's not.
No, it would look a lot more whippy. And you would not be revisiting the lows like this again. They don't give you two chances, like nowhere fucking near. If we bounced up maybe like 10% off in about 20-30 minutes, I'd say maybe. But the fact that we're just even back down below 56 makes me think that that's unlikely. So I'm out of my longs, guys. I am just holding a short. That's all I'm doing right here. And watching my
yeah, that was a good scalp earlier. Just kind of waiting again for another setup.
Yeah, yeah. That's all you can do right here, man. It's not the time to be a fucking hero with taking longs. No. You gotta. I think you just have to kind of realize that the overall trend's kind of being resolved for the first. You know, this is 11 months.
Breaking down out of that range is a big deal.
Yeah, I agree, man. 11 months of price action essentially coming to fruition right now is what I believe we're seeing. New yearly lows, all that kind of good stuff. It's hard to make an excuse for it. Like we said, you know, best case scenario, you get some sort of really fucked up price action for SIBOs. I don't know, maybe Trump comes out later and says we're gonna start using the Bitcoin or some shit. But anything other than that, probably not looking too damn good, man.
Not at all.
Yeah, in case if anyone's wondering, when you do see capitulation, you're not gonna you're gonna see this thing be moving like $500 at a time because there's not gonna be any fucking buyers, like literally none. You know.
Yeah, that's true capitulation.
Yeah, and it's also possible that you don't even get that. You know, with Bitcoin, I mean, you don't have to get it just like that.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people, we are extended in a bear market, right? We don't exactly have to see something like that.
Yeah. When you go sideways for this long in a downtrend, I mean, this is, you know, a form of capitulation. So you might not get like that super fucking whippy type shit, but whoa, I'm looking at OKX futures right now. They're trading at 5,300 even.
Wow, so they are at the 53 already.
Yeah. They got all the way down to 4,900. Jesus Christ, man. There's just no rest for these people.
Bounce again though from that double bottom.
Yeah,
on the shorter time frame.
Yeah, because we're gonna put in some bull div on all the bots are gonna buy this right now probably. Yeah, I think that you probably do bounce a little bit right here now. I don't think we're ready to really break 55, to be honest with you.
No, it's like a pit stop, you know.
Yeah, you gotta let people close their positions.
Yes, shorts take profit, puts us right back at 57, 50, 58 yet again, right?
Yeah, I think very likely we revisit 5,800 most likely. But I'm gonna wait.
That or break down from the support. We'll take.
Yeah. It's gonna be really violent either way.
But it's ping ponging nicely, so a good opportunity to make some money again.
Yeah, exactly, guys. I mean, just be fucking glad that we have opportunity once again. You know, that's the beauty of this market, man. Is you know, just the opportunity to really come through with it. You know, if you're not really if you're not in the moon boy frame of mind, if you're in the trader frame of mind, like, hey, few percent here, few percent there, you know, adds up over time. Well, you can this is fucking beautiful right here. If you're looking for
it's liquid too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, anything under about, you know, 2 to 5. Look, I got the 4 hour pulled up right over here. The 4 hour is just a straight shot down, man. It's still got a couple of hours, still 3 hours on it, but this is some pretty hefty selling on this, man. Almost a billion on this guy, and it's still got 3 hours left. So that's a lot, man. That's a lot. No doubt about that.
It's a lot of volume.
Yeah, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we do actually go down a little bit lower from here. You know, it's hard to imagine that you know, long or bulls are gonna let, you know, these more aggressive shorts get away with doing it right here, but without even just a little bit of a test. But I mean, maybe that was it right there, 57, 50.
Right. Yeah, that could have been it. It could have been right around the target we were anticipating. That could be it too.
Yeah. Let's see. Someone said Craig Wright just tweeted, expect 2014 prices if Bcash war goes on for too long. Jesus Christ, man. This fucking guy's really intense.
Yeah, he's a character, man.
Yeah, man.
I gotta pull up.
Yeah, man. I don't know how much I believe him, but he's very fun to listen to. I'll say that. He's very fucking fun to listen to.
Well, you gotta take everything with a grain of salt, but he does seem like really fun to listen to.
Yeah, man. I mean, you know, if Bitcoin did, you know, here's the thing. If we're looking at the higher time frames right over here, I got the monthly pulled up. Let's go to the BLX index. You know, here's the thing, and right now. Yeah, I think
again.
I think that was another rejection right there, man. I think we might be heading lower right here.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Continuation lower. Takes us to like 54.11.
I think you called it, man.
See if that happens.
Continuation right there. Yeah, I think you're going to be right on that one, man.
It has 55.50 has to break though. That's
Mhm.
support.
Yeah, there was some interest there, but not enough, man. Not enough so far. You know, let's see. Do we have any? How much selling do we have right here? 76 million right here.
Yeah. How big is
50
the
million
sell?
right
If the
here.
selling's lowish, then we could see that bounce up still. Because if you look on the hourly,
These are all about
there's
know
still
about
some.
50
There's
to
an
100
air
mil.
upward.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. The hourly here, hourly doesn't look. Hourly's pretty intense in my opinion, man.
Yeah.
We came just a hair short of making a new low right here of $9.5 short of that. So
Yeah. More
20
selling would push us down easily.
Yeah, yeah. This one's pretty fragile right now, man. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually make a quick dip lower and then maybe put in like a nice wick to the downside and then hold that 5,500 area. I don't feel like 5,500 is gonna break right here, but please no one take that as me saying like this is the fucking buy the century. I'm not bullish on this thing right now. I'm not bullish on an asset
No.
that's making
No,
new
see,
lows.
yeah, my trade got invalidated as well. I mean,
Yeah.
it broke new lows. It's a whole. Now you have to re-anticipate, assess
Exactly.
everything.
Yeah, this
So
is the
my
time
whole-
to.
Yeah, got thrown out the window.
100%,
during that break.
man. 100%.
Now
you
I'm
know?
all just riding the waves until you have a new assessment.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. Yeah, and XLM's back at a 4,000. My God, man.
Is it?
Yeah,
Hell
man. This
See,
thing is
oh,
acting
my
really
Binance
good.
portfolio's going up. Bitcoin,
Holy
I mean,
shit.
that was good. Yeah, so I mean, we're all right.
The fucking king of altcoins right here, man. The champ, a true champ. GPTC, I think, has new lows right here. Yep, new lows. GPTC actually massive new lows, all the way down to $6. The problem with this thing is I don't really have any support until you get down to about $5 region. So that is a little bit concerning over here. Or no, I do have it bouncing off of something over here. All right. Oh yeah, $5.95. Okay, there we go.
That is, damn, that's low for that investment trust.
Yeah, man. You
Usually it's like 10, bounce like 15, 13, and you're making quite a bit. But now it's just,
oh yeah, you gotta man, you gotta wonder about all these fucking crypto hedge funds that opened up in the last year, and they have to tell their fucking investors, all right, so we lost another 5%. Here's why you should stay with us.
How do you explain
Holy
that?
shit, we got I think we almost got new lows. Sorry to cut you off there, man, but $5 lower, $2 lower.
Getting that continuation.
All right, $1. There it is. 20 new lows, baby. Alrighty, 5,500 even. New fucking lows.
Yeah, here comes our 54.11.
Okay. Here we fucking go again, man. Oh, so brutal, man. So fucking brutal. It just doesn't stop. Yeah, I'm getting some more texts over here. Major liquidations on OKX. Major liquidations everywhere, man. Oh, so many 10 millions coming through. That is...
Yeah, it's been non-stop 10 million, actually.
Wow. It's like, what the fuck do you say to that, man? You know, 54.80 now. Close on a 5-minute. Let's see. Do we have any bullish?
Do we have any bounce opportunity there? I mean,
you just took out this fucking doji right here.
We took
man,
out.
That was gonna be
we
it.
took out those stops from the
that
people.
was fast.
Minutes, so.
Oh yeah.
We're kind of playing around. We're just reconsolidating in this range, breaking down again for continuation.
Yeah, this could get pretty damn nasty right here. Again, I'm not saying.
Tricky, man.
Yeah.
All right.
3 minutes still pulling it through right here. Again, you can't trust your oscillators in these sorts of time frames or anything like that. But what I am looking at is just, the
what do they show
over here. Yeah, and you look at the volume on guys as well, right? And the volume's not necessarily increasing on the new lows over here. So I wouldn't. I'm not like too. I'm not necessarily looking for it too much just yet. You gotta convince me a little bit more.
The technicals. This is what I'd say. Technicals are really helpful to add onto your, to check, because checking the technicals combined with the sentiment and the sell pressure is really good for scalping, I imagine.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm more straight price action, but yeah, there's really good stuff. I'm trying to add some more to my arsenal as well.
Yeah, man.
Momentum and things.
Hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got 8 hour over here. Yeah, I mean this you know, your higher time frames are showing nothing. You know, nothing that's indicative of stopping here. It's just your lower time frames. You know, like what I really want to get, what I really want to get out, and what I think Wes is getting out as well is like, hey, you know, while yes, it does look like overall probably does want to go lower, you don't want to be caught in that, you know, $200 move up where we pop up in this region right over here.
Yeah.
You know, even if it were to dump through this area, it's just it's just not the high probability play in my opinion. You know, it's not what you're looking for as a trader. That's more of a gamble play in my opinion. You know, this thing's all wound up, kind of let everything go already.
Yeah, it's all wound up. I mean, this all happened within this little time span, so people aren't reacting to it quite yet, so we can see some movement.
Yeah, we got CMEs over here coming all the way down as well. Yeah, 5,500. They didn't make new lows on this last drop down.
They didn't?
Oddly enough.
Interesting.
Yeah, man. 55. Exactly on the dot. Let's see. What else do we have over here? What about the Asian exchanges?
5.
Yeah, fucking fives, man. Isn't that like an Asian thing or something?
5. Wow.
$5 footlong, baby. Hey, what's up, John Woo Park? Good to have you in here, man. Good to meet you. So Harry Norm's asking capitulation. No, man, this is not capitulation. This is nothing like capitulation.
No, it's just like a pit stop type bounce.
Yeah.
You have to go in segments before you can make any capitulation or bottoms in type claims. You have to reassess more than just the 45 minutes to an hour we've been watching.
Yeah, exactly. Looking at Asian exchanges over here, they actually don't look like they made new lows. 6,440. Yeah, didn't make new lows over here.
Important note.
Yeah, so this is Bitcoin yen, if for anyone wondering. Yeah, Japan did not make new lows, and Japan's typically pretty damn important. I'm not saying that this is like a bullish thing, but I'm just saying, you know, just be aware. This is why I don't think that we break this area right here, right now. And we had just bounced up another $100 actually. You know, you do want to check on these things. Korea's around 7,000 or 700,000, I should say, but they actually didn't make anywhere near new lows either. It's just an ugly chart right here. Just get everything off. I mean, how much else do you trust this exchange when you have volume characters like this over here? That's questionable at best. It's like, what the fuck is going on over here, man? I'm
loving this movement, though.
Yeah, man, you got to, man. You fucking got to, you know. But I think we are in for a little. In the next 10 minutes or so. Otherwise, you don't want to hang it here. That's the point. You don't want to grind this area.
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
I want to see it launch through there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
For a nice bounce.
5850 is the area that I'm looking at if this thing does pop back up. That's where I'd be looking at. That's what looks pretty damn good.
Nice target. Yeah, I think that's a decent R&R play to take advantage now. Capture that volatility on the little bounce that we might get.
Yeah, man, absolutely. Absolutely. You know, that's kind of the next trade to be taking interim, really. You know? And if you are looking at short, you know, what you're probably looking for, 8 minute looks like it wants to rally. Yeah. What you're probably looking for is a pop back a bit up into this range right here, 5850-ish area. And if we do lose momentum right around there, that's probably the area, in my opinion. Again, disregarding any sort of SIBO fuckery or anything like that, that's what I'd probably be looking for. If this is going to be the big break, we're not gonna revisit 6100. I don't think anytime soon.
Yeah, that requires a lot of buy volume.
Yeah, I don't think they have it in the tanks right now. I mean, you just broke yearly lows essentially, which bulls have been defending, you know, pretty valiantly for quite some time. Yeah, all year, and each and every one of these bounces just getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and now it looks like people have given up on that area. Is how I read this chart right now. Again, you know, there's a lot of hours left in the day to kind of confirm this kind of shit, but I'd say it's
there's a lot of time, tons of time.
Right. But the way that it looks right now looks unlikely. Again, looking at the 3-day over here, we do see volume increasing on this dump relative to prior price action. Overall, I think that this very likely is it. Your higher time frame oscillators are just getting. Any positions right now, West?
This is that XLM play.
Yeah.
XLM, QKC and Komodo are the three
Let's
that
check
I
out
moved
Komodo,
into.
man. That's something that I actually used to look at quite a bit too. On Trex over here. Let's see. Whoa, turning down. That guy's turning down. He doesn't look as happy. Yeah, that's not an XLM. Hanging a little bit higher, but yeah. Let's see. What about the other one? KQC. Let's check out this guy.
QKC, yeah, it had a nice little run up, and now it took some
What is this
downside.
thing? Quark
We'll
chain.
see. Trying to figure out what to
Oh,
do
yeah.
with it. Yeah, Quark Chain's been in a nice little trend.
Ooh, whoa. All right, that's interesting. Got a nice bearish engulfing
But
right there. Yeah.
Yeah, it took
Yeah,
a
had
nice
run
dump
there.
today.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think too many things are going to be safe from a dump like this. Let's go check on Ripple. What is he doing? He's always interesting. Has he decoupled yet? No. Not decoupled. Still looks the same as fucking Bitcoin.
XRP took a bounce.
It did have a nice bounce. Don't get me wrong, man.
Holy
but,
shit, look at that wick, though. Shit went down that
it's
far.
8%,
God.
almost 10%. It looks like
It hit
almost
62.87.
10%. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's see what. Oh wow! Oh nice.
Was it-
Hit my horizontal right there, and then up. Beautiful. Yeah. So these are the kind of things that make me think that Bitcoin probably does bounce from this region, because I don't think that's something like Ripple's gonna break down just yet. Ripple's actually still kind of in a nice consolidation for what it's worth. Looks a lot better overall than most things. To be quite honest. Ethereum over here is the wild card. That one looks bad. Ethereum makes me think the whole market's about to go down a lot more. A little bit of a bounce, maybe even retest like 190-ish area, but that's not fucking good, man. Increasing volume on the dump over here.
No, definitely not. I mean,
Yeah.
you just have everything that looks like they're going to do a little bounce back to the resistance. Then we got to see if there's enough buy volume to push it through, which it probably isn't. It probably just gets resold on.
Yeah.
So-
Yeah, Jonah BTC. Yeah, man, I do have a couple positions open on my streamer account over here. I have a small Bitcoin short open that I opened up around 6,300, and then I'm playing some options over here where I'm actually just making money on my fucking puts now, which is kind of funny, but fair enough.
Yeah, that's awesome. Dude. That's really cool stuff.
Yeah, man, it's wow. Those exploded right here. So for anyone in the options program, take a look at how these 6,000 puts
Yeah, I'm
exploded
curious
during
myself.
this kind of shit. Yeah, man, there you go. The marks are super wet on them because they're now deep in the money actually. But overall, man, this is really the only way that you're gonna see out of the money fucking premium explode same week expiration. I'm probably gonna have to get rid of some of these though, because I don't really want that. I don't like buying premium, man. I really don't like it.
All right. Yeah, bidding and options is very important. So I hear when I'm looking into stuff.
Yeah, well, one of the things to be aware of with options, man, is like, the market makers are going to only be pricing them in a way that their model tells them is going to be good for them. Which isn't necessarily a bad thing. You can play a different game than them. They're playing the game of, reversal conversion markets. They don't care about direction. So when it comes down to it, man, understanding what they're thinking and the way that they're quoting is the way that you can actually get around them, essentially. So for anyone wondering, like right here, what's going on, basically our at the money calls and puts are the 57.50 strike. And if we mark them to the middle, it's about $200 on the puts and about $50 on the calls. So that's about so what the market makers are saying right here is that we have a range of about $250 from 57.50. So anywhere between 5,500 and 6,000 is our current range. And I would agree with that. I think they got it right on the dot. I mean, obviously that all goes out the window if you do break 5,500. Don't get me wrong on that. But for what it's worth right now, that I would agree with what they're saying, and I think that's probably going to be our range for. Well, I'm not really good with time analysis, man. Yeah, I don't really think time analysis is a real thing. Have you ever done anything like that, West?
Basing positions on time.
Yeah, like time analysis. Like some people will say this is going to happen at this date, at this time, and
oh no, it's
yeah.
best to have a range of like week long, but nothing like specific time. Like that's yeah. I don't think markets really go cater to certain times like that. Based
I
on
agree, man. I just have
more flux.
Yeah,
ebb and flow.
Yeah, I just haven't seen it like done. I suppose in like a predictable way, over time.
Right.
That's kind of like my big thing.
It's hard to anticipate. It's like something you plan for and really like do your research on, line up fundamental catalysts, and then you can sort of time how long you can hold the position. But
yeah,
it's all on a range and it's all speculative.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. What else? You got any other thoughts, West? I'm actually probably gonna get off soon, man. My throat is absolutely fucking
Yeah,
crushed.
man. This was great. This was a fun time. I think we
Dude,
bounced from
absolutely,
here though.
man. Absolutely. Yeah, I would agree. I think that we got a little bit of bounce in the works as well.
Watch the Binance alts. That's a key market factor. The
Mm.
Binance alts. Seeing what they're doing, seeing if there's buying going on. That's a really telltale
You
sign to
got
see
any
what the
names in
market.
particular on those guys?
I have to do my analysis, but I will
Yeah.
have some stuff soon. But basically, my favorite. I mean, XLM,
Yeah.
Zcash, two that I
XLM,
watch.
Zcash.
Coinbase. Yeah, see how they hold up. Also, need to check on some buying pressure on some alts that I'm already in.
Yeah.
Let me pull up the chart real quick.
Word.
Yeah, because mostly everything's in the red, so you want to see buying pressure on stuff like Stellar now.
Yeah. See where the interest is. It does indeed
Right.
lie. You know, it's still holding up pretty well, man. Hanging around that 4,000 mark. I like it.
Yeah, I mean, 38's the. I mean, anything under that would be a little sketchy. So that's my validation for Stellar right now. So
Yeah.
buying near there is a good spot.
Hey, here comes your bounce, by the way. 56.
Is it?
Yeah, a little
Nice,
bit.
nice.
$100 off the lows, so
Well-
not bad.
Yeah, I like to see that test of 57.
Yeah. I think that's gonna be the next key in this puzzle.
Yeah, 57, and then if we could finally get some volume again, shorts take profit, and bottom shorters get squeezed, we can see that 58 that you're looking for. Too.
Yeah.
So,
you know, maybe you get
hopefully
some
it's a volatile
action on the
day.
CBOs closing. You know, something to look out for later today.
Yeah, this was good stuff, man.
Dude, absolutely, man. It was an absolute pleasure having you on, man. I'd love to have you on again, man. Whenever you're free, just let me know.
Yeah, this was awesome, man. I
Yeah,
mean,
man.
we definitely should do this more. This was great.
Dude, absolutely, man.
Really
Absolutely.
was.
It's great to have someone, you know, someone in the know, someone who I can verify myself, who I think is good. Come on here, man. Just absolute fucking pleasure, my
Man,
friend.
just throw ideas together. Absolutely.
Dude,
I mean,
absolutely, my friend.
absolutely.
Absolutely. All right, man. I'm gonna close the stream now, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure to be with everyone here. Lovely day as we see Bitcoin come to fruition after months and months and months, so almost a whole year of price action, guys. I hope everyone's enjoying this. Everyone's staying safe in SAFU or making shit tons of money. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Take care.
Later, Crown. Later, guys.
Oh, by the way, guys, sorry. Before everyone goes, check out
Yeah.
Crypto West. Check out Crypto West on
Here's
Twitter.
my-
He's over here on
Twitter
good old Twitter at Crypto West. Great guy. Check out also the Frontier Discord. Great place to find West as well. And there, I'll close it with that. All right, guys, take care. Great talking with you, and I'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, have a good one.
you